Hey there guys, in this video we are going to see a site called Shodan, and this is going to be a full tutorial on the Shodan website, and I'm sure that by end of this video you will be familiar using the Shodan website. So before we get into the explanation part, I have already written a blog post on the Shodan website, and this blog post will be in the description box below, so do check it out. So first of all, what is Shodan? So Shodan is an information gathering website, and it is also a search engine, and it is also called as dark Google or hackers Google because you are getting information which are not publicly available in any of the search engines. And also while we work with the Shodan search engine, we will be finding what are the information we are getting. And the key to use this Shodan website is pretty much very easy, and the key is you need to know the particular keywords to find the target information. And I'm sure that by end of this video I will be covering all the keywords. So let's get into the practical session. So how to use a Shodan website. So in example 1, I have given searching target. So for example, you know the target. Suppose it can be a domain name or IP address or whatever you want. So in this place, I am just entering Cisco routers. So the target I am searching for is Cisco routers. And make sure you create an account in the Shodan site so that you will be getting access to most of the features. So when I enter Cisco routers, we can see the total results, and we can see all these information, the total results, the country, the open ports, organization, and the product and operating system. So these informations are more than enough to hack a system, and all these Cisco routers are publicly available and which are not secured. And this information is also used for useful purposes. So it will notify the particular company. So on the left side we can see the top countries and the top ports, top organization, and top products. Unfortunately, we are not seeing the operating system, but on the right side we can see all other information such as the server. So we can see that it is saying 200 OK, which means the site is working properly. So also we can see an outbound link over here. So I'm just going to click on the outbound link. So it has redirected to a login page, and I'm not going further beyond this. So this video is only for educational purpose, as I said. So I'll just close it. So these are the publicly available informations in the Shodan site. And if I click on the IP address, we can find more information related to the particular IP address we are searching for, the particular target. So the information we are getting is the open ports, and also we can see that the HTTPs and all of the information are over here. And also we can see the general information and the web technology it is using. So we are getting all these information. So let's do another search. So this is how to use the search option. So if you know the target, just enter the target in the search bar and do a search. So for example, if I want information related to Microsoft.com domain, I'll just enter Microsoft.com and search for it. So it is pretty much very slow. So we can see the results over here. So I'm getting all the results related to the Microsoft.com domain. So let's see the next example. So in the first example, we have seen how to use the search option, and just enter in search option, you just enter the target. Okay. So in example 2, we are using the keyword that is host name and country. So host name is nothing but the target, and the country is nothing but you are specifying a country where you want only that country's particular results. Okay. So for example, over here I have entered United States, and I will be only having the United States informations. Okay. So over here I have given IIS 8.0, which is Microsoft server, and we can see that host name is Microsoft.com. So I will just enter IIS host name. Let's enter google.com, and the country. So we are specifying the result from a particular country. So the country will be United States. Let's search for the results. So we are not getting information. So let's make Let's take out these spaces. Search now. So even the spaces matter in the keywords. So we have got a total of 3 results. So the host name is basically it is the target, and the country is specifying where you want the particular results from. So here I have entered United States, and also we have given IIS, which means that it is a Microsoft server. So we can see the server over here. It says Microsoft IIS 8.5, and also we can see IIS 8.5 also here. So we got 3 results. So this is how to use the host name and the country. Let's see the next example. So the next example is pretty much very easy. It is related same like the country. So we are just entering the particular city. So we are making very small, making the result very small. So we are entering a particular city over here. So I'll just copy this and just paste it in the search bar and see what result we are getting. So we are getting a result which is in the country United States and specifically in this particular city. So we are getting all these information, and if you notice over here you can see there is no outbound link, and I'm sure there is no outbound link, and for some of the IP addresses or site you will be not getting the outbound links. So over here you can see the outbound link. So if I just click on the IP address, we can see the live target, the map where the location is. So we can see over here. So I think I can maximize it. So it asks for the membership. So I don't have a membership in the Shodan, and by end of this video I'll be also sharing the pricing in the Shodan website, and also I will be showing you also I will be saying it is worth or not. So basically we are entering the city, which means the country and city. We are specifying the result from this particular part, okay, particular part of the city, particular part of the country. So the next example 4, we are just entering the host name. So we have seen how does the host name works. Host name is basically the target. So let's move on to the next example. So the next example is net command. So net command is basically scanning scan a single IP or a whole net block range using the net command. So for example, I'm just entering net command, and let me check what IP address I have entered. So I'll just copy this IP. So I'll just paste it in here. And also you can do a scan for a range. So you can just enter 1 to 100 minus 100. So let's search now. So we will be getting information related to this particular IP address and the IP range between 1 to 100. So we are getting all the information related to this particular IP address. So this is how to do a scan on a single IP or a IP range. And also let's move on to the next example. So it is pretty much very easy. You just go on to the Shodan website and just create an account and just try by yourself. So the next example is title command. So this is the most important command. So for example, you are searching for a camera, a surveillance camera. You just need to enter title, and over here I have entered server room. So let's enter camera, and make sure you enter the double quotes, and we will be getting information related to the cameras. So we are getting all the available cameras all over the world, the publicly available cameras. And also we can see another option is added over here. So it says browse images. So it says membership. So I will talk about the membership later. So IP camera, let's click on one of the outbound link. So these are the publicly available informations, and it says not secure. And the Shodan website is also used by the useful persons and also by the hackers. So anyways, it is a useful information for the companies if they see, and it is also an advantage for a hacker if he sees this. So let's move on to the next example. So basically the title is specifying the title. So over here, this is the title. So if you just enter camera, and it will just go through a search and find is there any keyword related to the camera in the title. So let's do another search. Let's do server room. So we are getting the information related to the server room. So it's all from the United States. So, and it says that 200 OK. So let's click on the outbound link. Okay, let's click proceed. So we are getting all these nonsense IP addresses which are not worth the information. So if you are specifically targeting a particular target, you just need to enter the target domain name. Just enter the domain name or IPv4 address. So let's move on to the next example. So basically the title command is used to find the title keywords. So the next command is we are just entering the search, the keyword search. So for example, I have entered Apache 2.2.8 200 OK. So this is a server and I have given 200 OK, which means only the wait, I will just enter. The 200 OK means the site is working properly, and it will display only the site which is working properly over here. Over here we can see that it is saying 200 OK, and also we can see another it is a warning symbol. It says vulnerabilities, freak. We can see all this information. So all over the world we are getting all this information related to the Apache 2.2.8, and we can also enter the specific error code. So for example, if I enter 401 and let's search, I think I will probably get the result. So we are getting result related to the 401. So we are getting all these information related to the error codes. So that's it about the Shodan website, and just go through all these keywords. So this blog post will be in the description box below, and I hope this video will be helpful. So wait a minute, I told you I will be talking about the pricing. So let's go to the pricing tab. So I don't have a premium plan in the Shodan website, but I wish I want, but it is too costly. It says $59 a month. But I've seen many other YouTubers, and also I have seen my friends who are using the Shodan premium version. So they say that this the information we are getting from the Shodan is awesome, and I think the Shodan website it is, you can just go for a premium version without any second plans. You can just go for a freelancer, or if you are a corporate, you can just go for it. So ultimately this is an awesome site to get the information of a target. So in this video I have taught you how to use the Shodan website and how to use the keywords, and also and that's it. So I hope you like the video, so make sure to give a like and subscribe to our channel. See you next video, guys.